Dr. Tatiana here at Maryville Chiropractic and Massage Clinic, and today I'm going to show you the cross crawl exercise. So with cross crawling, you want to make sure when you're moving your right arm up, you're moving your left leg up. As you're moving your left arm up, you're moving your right leg up. So basically, you're crossing across your body using opposite-sided limbs. Now we're going to do that motion as you're crawling across the floor. This can also be done if your gym has a cross crawl machine. Once again, you're lifting the opposite arm and opposite leg at the same time. If your doctor is aware that you have that at your gym, he or she will be able to give you a prescription to use that. Another activity that mimics that sort of movement is climbing. So you could even try your local climbing gym as long as this has been okayed with your practitioner. So make sure you speak with them first before you try that. But for our purposes, if you hold right there for one moment, we're gonna do this exercise with some very simple things that you can find around your house. So these are just moving pads. You can see on the bottom it's nice and plastic and smooth, and here you have pads, so you can put that underneath your knees. You can also use some pieces of laminated paper if you have those as well. Put a little piece of tape on it so they're a little bit more adhesive to the side that your hands are going to be on. So what we're going to do, I'm going to place this on the ground, and in a moment we're going to have Juliana show you the exercise while we videotape her and I explain the exercise. So hold on one moment. Okay, let's switch this up. So this is a lovely Juliana right here. And you can see down here we've placed the pads underneath her knees and the little piece of sticky tape, she's gonna put her palms on them. So what we're gonna do is she's on all fours. You can see she's pulled her belly button into the spine. The back is nice and flat. So Juliana, do you mind arching your back like a camel for a second? We're not in that position. And do you mind lowering your back into cow position? We're not arching the back like that. It's nice and neutral and the belly button's pulled in. With her head, you can see that her gaze is downward, forward at about 45 degrees, so as not to overextend the neck and stress it. If you could extend your neck, Juliana, that would be too uncomfortable, and look straight down at the floor. That's gonna put a lot of stress on the spine. So we wanna look just forward about 45 degrees. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slowly start sliding the right arm or the left arm forward and the right knee. And now we're gonna switch to the opposite arm and leg. Exactly. Perfect. We'll stop right there. And that is the cross crawl exercise. Perfect. So make sure when you're doing this at home, you can turn into a game if you like with your kids. It's going to be activating that nervous system and making sure that we have activation of that central nervous system. Take care and be well. That was your cross crawl exercise.